Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add line numbers in Word. Open your Word file. You will see the data to use in a table. Now select a value, right-click there, and in the menu, choose Insert and click on Insert Rows above. Now in this new row, in each of the cells, you are going to enter the bar sign. Once you have done this, select all or each row, and from the paragraph group, click Center to adjust the data display. When you complete this, right-click on the table and select the Table Properties option. In the pop-up window, open the Borders and Shading option. Now having the All option active, from Color select the color white. Click on OK and you will be able to see the new style of the table with the data. After this, you must go to the Insert menu, and in Shapes you are going to select the double arrow. You are going to press the Shift key on your keyboard and draw the arrow between the data in the table. With the arrow selected from the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Outline and choose one of the available colors. Again, open Shape Outline, and this time from Weight, adjust the width of the arrow. This will give a better style. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.